Olfactory receptor 10G2 is a protein that in humans is encoded by the OR10G2 gene. Olfactory receptors interact with odorant molecules in the nose to initiate a neuronal response that triggers the perception of a smell. The olfactory receptor proteins are members of a large family of G protein-coupled receptors, GPCR, arising from single coding-exon genes. Olfactory receptors share a 7-transmembrane domain structure with many neurotransmitter and hormone receptors and are responsible for the recognition and G protein-mediated transduction of odorant signals. The olfactory receptor gene family is the largest in the genome. The nomenclature assigned to the olfactory receptor genes and proteins for this organism is independent of other organisms. See also: olfactory receptor. References. Further reading. External links. OR10G2 plus protein plus human at the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Medical subject headings. This article incorporates text from the United States National Library of Medicine, which is in the public domain.